Hello everyone, my name is Ayan Arvind and welcome to the first episode of Top 3 Things in Tech. First off, in today's episode, we're covering one of the latest breakthroughs in quantum computers. Recently, IBM has unveiled a new quantum processor called the Heron processor. Now, what does this mean, you ask? To explain this easily, let's imagine you're planning a road trip. In this road trip, you want to visit multiple countries while also getting great food, visiting cultural landmarks, and of course, getting the best route. While a traditional computer would take weeks to plan everything out, a quantum computer would be able to do it in just seconds, while also being able to adjust to weather conditions, personal preferences, and more as a result of being able to try out millions of different possibilities in such a short duration of time. Now, how does it do all this, you ask? Well, it uses something called qubits to run the computer, while traditional computers use bits. The difference between the two would be like a light switch. A regular light switch would have two settings, on and off. For a computer, this would be zeros and ones. Meanwhile, the qubits would be like a magical light switch, having millions of different brightness levels in between. Now, we're covering our second topic, a new advancement in the field of gene editing. Gene editing is a field of science where you edit parts of DNA to achieve a desirable outcome, which includes removing certain diseases from occurring. One of these technologies that plays a crucial role in the field is CRISPR. CRISPR is a gene editing technology in which you can selectively edit the genes of living organisms. Recently, a new CRISPR-based therapy called Casgevy was approved by the FDA. Overall, Casgevy is meant to aid with sickle cell anemia. The reason this is such a big deal is that this is the first CRISPR treatment to receive such widespread approval from health organizations. Today's last topic is about a brain chip. Yes, you heard it right, a chip made by Neuralink, a company founded by Elon Musk in 2016. It's been making headlines recently due to the launch of its implantable brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, that can help people with neurological disorders control devices through their thoughts instead of motor actions. Now, let's dig deeper. The way it works is that a neurosurgical robot implants it on behalf of a doctor. On the coin-sized device, some thin threads with electrodes assist in picking up electrical activity or brainwaves in the cerebral cortex. The Neuralink device receives these brainwaves and sends back neural signals through electrical stimulation. In 2024, we had the first 2 human trials with Neuralink, and now in December, Neuralink received approval from Health Canada to launch their first international trial. That's it for today on Top 3 Things in Tech. See you next time.